Good morning, party people. I am in the Chicago, Illinois area. I'll be here for a few more days. I'm going to be trying to get an exhaust done on John's car this morning. It didn't go as planned yesterday, and I had to run around to find a engine support brace bar. Normally get those things out of places like Harbor Freight. One of my viewers didn't know what Harbor Freight was yesterday. Harbor Freight is a place that supplies a lot of tools and stuff for DIY people. Just tools and equipment, stuff like that. Anyway, I did have to travel like an hour and a half to find that engine support brace. My buddy Chris here in the Chicago area was going to let me use his in the event that I couldn't find one, but I think I'm going to be using one of these things to do manual swaps while I travel, so I needed to find one for myself. We do not plan to have a public car event, meet and greet type thing, so we're not going to be doing that Saturday. Folks down the Swedish Car Parts is just too busy. If somebody else has some kind of place they want to connect with a few people, got any ideas, let me know. Maybe we could do that Saturday morning. I don't know if I'm going to be leaving Saturday morning. I was planning to, but if I don't have enough stuff done, I'll be here a little while longer. So anyway, I'm just working, and I am in the Chicago area. If I'm supposed to help you do something here in Chicago area, or you would like me to help you check something out or do something that won't take 3 days, give me a call. Calling is the best way. Texting is also good. While I'm traveling, man, I don't get on social media often. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I was still in Cincinnati on this one. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here is the fresh new coolant reservoir bottle. Fresh from Volvo. Actually, I think I might have got this from Lyle's Volvo. Use 50/50 Volvo coolant. I'm going to take this loose, try to pop this on here. Not even try to drain any coolant. I'm going to try to tip this bottle into this one. Take that thing off. So we'll see how much of a mess I make trying this. But I'm going to take that off of there. Put it on here. And then I could pop the sensor out now. The sensor doesn't have any coolant in there. Pop that in there. And then work on that top hose and the cap. Let's see what happens. You might be able to just pull this out. But I just put the screwdriver on there. Get it started out. Crap. Almost lost my sensor. Let me put this in with two hands. Push down on the edge of it with a screwdriver, popped it in place. Just slid that in place. Now I'm going to take that hose loose with a 7. See if I can get it off without spilling too much. Set this other bottle in place, lay this one over there. Before you tighten that hose clamp up, when this hose falls down here, this bottle should have no stress on it. So this bottle needs to pivot just a little bit that way before I tighten this hose down. You don't need no stress on this stuff. So when the hose falls down, the bottle should lock in its chamber like that. So that's a good place to clamp that on. Maybe just a little bit more counterclockwise, maybe 1 or 2 degrees, and then tighten the clamp down on the bottom. Volvo clamps are better than the new sharp edge worm clamps because these clamp ends are flared. Alright, so this is good to go. Bottle falls down just right. I'm gonna go ahead and clip that on there, set that down there, and I could turn on the car, maybe even start it, see if that low level sensor is activated, because you want to make sure that works. Now I'm going to take this bottle, set it over that one, dump the coolant in there, then I'll deal with that top clamp there. I'm going to take the bottle, pour it onto this one, Take the cap off, take that line off, and I'll be good to go. I got some more Volvo coolant right inside the garage there I could top it off with. As you can see from the sticker, this is a Volvo bottle. But I'm under the impression that this thing has aged rapidly. I broke this off by finger the other day. That this thing has aged rapidly because I'm not running a heat shield on my turbo. So I'm going to get a heat shield for that turbo. I'm going to top this coolant up a little bit. Put the cap on. You always want to check the cap. Look real good to the center of it. Make sure there's no micro cracks in there. And make sure there's no cracks on the side of the cap. That could cause issues. So I should be good to go. And get down to the junkyard, grab a couple parts to ship out for some people before I hit the road. Looky there. That's a rare sight at any salvage yard. Man, I hope nobody will need no parts off of that. I don't even know how to get around here. They got that way blocked off. Let me go this way. Hopefully these cars will not be jammed up. And I can get this part I need at 2 Stacks Jack. I should be able to get what I need out of here, man. Somebody need these headlights? High class, high dollar headlights. That's busted. Anyway, let me see if I can open this hood far enough to get what I need out of here. And then I need a fuel door release mechanism from out the back, which the back is open. So this may be perfect setup for me. Woohoo! Somebody needs the air tube out of here. Ah, she's broken glass. And this car looks pretty decent in here. Steering wheel looks good. A couple other things look good. Get this hood open. I don't know how to tell what years these are yet, but I think it's what I need. I use my socket on this screwdriver to get this clamp off. I went to go get the clamp off on the back. My socket's gone. It just vanished. I have no idea where it is. So I hope I brought another socket out here with me, or I'm gonna have to take a trip back to the car already. Good Lord, that was a magic trick. That looks like an 8. I need a 7. Wow. I was going to pull this hub for Byron. Had everything out except for the 4 bolts. Thought I had a good grip on that bolt. I didn't. Twisted it. So I'm back to the drawing board. I got to go find another hub because my chances of getting that bolt out are slim. And he's got a lug nut missing on his wheel. So let me regroup, go get me a 7mm so I can finish getting this tube out of here and get out of here because time's a wasting. Time to clean up this car and pack it up. Man, just took a little break. Need to take another one. Found that my glove compartment and my under dash wasn't installed, so I went on ahead and done that. Panel over there is not installed, so if I see that, I'm gonna install that. While I transfer stuff out of these boxes over here, I got boxes that have stuff in them that I need and stuff I don't need. Here's my vacuum. I'm gonna run that vacuum on Diane's side real quick. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.